This video is about subtraction. Here's our first question. What is 78 take away 41? As with all these types of sums, we must set it out correctly, so let's do that first. Here it is set out correctly, with the units in one column and the tens in another. Now I just take away the units from each other and the tens away from each other. So 8 take away 1 is 7, 7 take away 4 is 3. So my answer is 37. Here's a second example already set out for us, 42 take away 27. So as before, I will start by taking away the units. So this is 2 take away 7. Now I can't take 7 away from 2, there isn't enough there. So this time I'm going to borrow from the 4. So the 4 is going to become a 3, and I'm going to borrow 1 and give that to the 2 to make 12. So 12 take away 7 I can do and gives me 5. And then to take away the tens, 3 take away 2 is 15. So 42 take away 27 is 15.